In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history on Amazon app. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In many regions, the Amazon app does not actually let you delete or archive orders directly. So if you're trying to clear your order history from the app, the practical workaround is to use a web browser and archive the order instead. Archiving doesn't permanently delete the order, but it does remove it from your main order history view, which is usually what most people want. To get started, open Amazon.com in a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. This is the key first step because the browser version gives you access to options that may not appear in the app. If the mobile site feels limited, you can also try switching your browser to desktop view for a smoother experience. Once Amazon loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because order history is tied to the specific account that placed the order. After you're signed in, go to the Returns and Orders section. This is where Amazon stores your recent purchases and past order activity. You'll usually find it near the top of the page, although the exact layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop. Now look through your order history and find the order you want to hide. Take a moment here to double check the item, date, or delivery details so you archive the correct one. This is especially helpful if you've placed several similar orders. When you found the right order, click Archive Order. Depending on your device or browser, this option may appear directly on the order card or inside additional order actions. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or look for a menu with more options. Amazon will then ask you to confirm the action. Select Archive Order again to confirm. The second confirmation helps prevent accidental changes, so it's completely normal to see that extra prompt. Once that's done, the order will be moved out of your regular order history and placed into the Archived Orders section. That means it won't show up in your main list anymore, making your order history look cleaner and a bit more private. Just keep in mind that the order is not permanently erased. It's simply hidden from the default order view. If you ever need to find it again, you can access it through your archived orders later. And that's how to delete order history on Amazon app by using Amazon's archive feature through a web browser.